Guys, this is Winter WDS. I got a cool neon sign online. It is on, I don't know if you can see it on the screen. I think it kind of looks white on the screen. So hopefully it looks green. It is green. I also have a white pot that my sister-in-law gave me. And I was thinking if I combine these two elements with other things, I'll have a great, awesome St. Patrick's Day decor. So let's begin. Maybe this is not the smartest way or fastest way to do it, but I already had this marker in the house. It's a pen touch gold marker, and since I don't like this red line here, this is what I'm gonna use, and that way I don't have to go to the store to get something. Just by painting the edge gold, it's already looking better. I think we're going on the right path. Let's get some vinyl cut. Let's go. Now it's time for a magic trick. Ta-da! It is time to cut out some wood, and I am going to trace the shape that I need with the guidance of this neon sign. And we're going to put a rainbow here on the bottom. There you go, the shape is ready. Wow, that was fast. Now it's time to paint. Okay, quick update. I drew some lines between the colors because I felt like it needed that separation. I didn't put like straight, super thick lines. I hope you can see it well. Just in and out so it separates it a little bit. And then I put 2 screws right here so I can hang the neon light from it. And the other thing I did is that I put a bar of this thing. I don't know what it's called, but I put one on the bottom so this two can rest on it, because when I was pushing down the little rainbow, it was getting unglued from the sides, so it wasn't working. So I did that. All right, let's continue. All right, the next part is actually fun. Well, I think I have never done it before, but we are going to put this here. So I'm gonna use this cardboard I cut before, and then put this right here, like that. Okay, now I bought this coins that I'm going to put right here. They're green and gold. I'm gonna use the hot glue so they're not falling everywhere. Okay, so time to glue coins. See? Fun. Now I'm gonna put the neon light here using the screws. And now it's time to light up this and for the beauty shots. Oh, the beauty shot is not for me? It's for the rainbow pot? Okay. Looks like we got to the end of the rainbow and also to the end of the episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember to do what you love because you may inspire others. Bye. Oh, 1 second. Before going, I want to say thank you to Katie because she gave me the white pot that I use in this project. She always hooks me up with really cool stuff. So thanks, Kate. Love you. All right. Bye.